Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Have a seat and tell me. Please tell me, what do you do?
My name is Judy. I am 20 years old. I live in Vientiane capital. I used to work at the hotel as a kitchen supervisor. My main responsibility was making sure that the food we were serving were clean and safe. There were 20 people who worked under me. I was also in charge of budgeting the daily expenses for kitchen staff for now. I am looking for a job. The hotel has just closed because of the crisis we have at the moment.
Yeah, so you have experience in management as supervisor, haven't you? If the company hires you, you might as well be given a similar responsibility as your previous work. Our company needs a full Our company needs full-time personnel in different departments. This means a full-time job is available, but we also offer a part-time job. Please come back after a week to be exact, or Monday morning. By then, the decision whether to hire you or not is ready to pronounce. We are going to hire 2 managers and 10 supervisors to be exact in different departments. We have so far two we have so far 5 candidates for managerial and 20 for supervisorial position. That's why the human resource department has been thoroughly selecting the best candidates.
Yes. I really have for this interview. I know it is short but straightforward. Sorry, I will come on Monday next week. Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care. I'm looking forward to see you again. Goodbye.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Ha, ở trong đó đâu?